Welcome to Book Jobs Daily, the show where local business owners find the money hiding in missed calls, slow follow-up, weak reviews, and messy systems. I'm Star Riley, and each day we break down one local revenue leak, one simple AI-powered fix, and one action you can use to book more jobs. Today, we are fixing one leak that could be costing you real money.
Welcome to Booked Jobs Daily. I'm Star Riley, founder of MyUSALocal.com, and this is episode XYZ for date XYZ. This is your daily show for local business growth, practical AI, and revenue systems that help turn missed leads into booked jobs. Every day, we look at one problem costing local businesses money. Then we break down the simple system that can help fix it. Today's revenue leak is Review Rescue Loop, how to recover weak or lost reviews and turn them into booked jobs. By the end of this episode, you will know what is happening, why it matters, and one step you can take to protect your leads, improve your follow-up, and book more jobs. Let's get into it. Imagine this. A homeowner finds your company, checks your reviews, and hesitates because one recent review says the technician rushed the job and left a mess. That single 2-star note is the reason they click the competitor next door. Now imagine you discover that review, reach out within 24 hours, apologize sincerely, fix the issue with a same-week return visit, and the customer updates their review to 5 stars, and then refers a neighbor who becomes a $3,500 job. That's a real example of a lost opportunity saved by a rescue, and it's exactly what the Review Rescue Loop is built to do. Here's what you'll get in the next 10 minutes. A quick understanding of why weak reviews quietly drain revenue. One real micro case that shows the emotional beats, a practical 5-step review rescue loop you can run in minutes, and ready-to-use scripts for phone, SMS, and email, plus a tiny daily habit that protects your reputation. This is built to be tool-agnostic and rejection-safe, so you can use it with the way your team already works. The problem is simple but sneaky. Weak reviews and unanswered replies cause trust to decay slowly, and potential customers often take the safer route, the competitor with a spotless feed. A single low score or an unaddressed complaint tells prospects one of two things. Either you don't value customers after the sale, or your quality is inconsistent. Both are conversion killers. Worse, when reviews sit without follow-up, you lose the chance to recover that customer and the revenue they would have brought. We're not talking about headline failures. We're talking about the gradual cliff that comes from 5 to 10 lost small moments every month that add up to real missed jobs and friction in your sales pipeline. Let me tell you a short story. A local general contractor I worked with, let's call him Mike, got a 2-star review after a frustrating paint job where a subcontractor rushed the prep work. The review was emotional and short. Bought a big job, crew rushed, paint bubbled, disappointed. Mike could have written the public defense or ignored it. Instead, he used a rescue approach. He called within 12 hours, said he was sorry, asked for a quick picture, and offered a no-cost return to fix the prep and repaint a problem area the next week. He showed up with the right team, fixed the issue, and, importantly, asked the customer, once satisfied, if they would update the review. The customer changed the public review to 5 stars and added a line about Mike coming back to make it right, and then recommended Mike to a neighbor who booked a full exterior job. One lost job turned into 2, and the public review swung the other direction. The emotional pieces matter here. Empathy, immediate action, and visible accountability converted frustration into trust. From that story, we get the Review Rescue Loop. 5 repeatable steps you can use today. Step 1. Identify. Pull your reviews every morning or use a simple daily alert to surface any new review below 4 stars or any unanswered comment. Step 2. Prioritize. Score each flagged review by impact, job size, recency, platform visibility. A recent low review on a major directory is high priority. Step 3. Reach out. Use a value-first, apology and solution approach within 24 hours. Phone is best for high-impact items, SMS or email for lower-impact ones, but always offer a quick live fix. Step 4. Resolve. Demonstrate accountability. Show up punctually, fix the problem, and log exactly what you did. Step 5. Request an update.
Only ask for a review change after the customer confirms satisfaction, and use a gentle, non-pushy script that frames the request around their experience improving the public record, not the score.
A few practical rules for timing, channel, and logging. Check reviews first thing, a 10-minute sweep, and assign each flag a priority and an owner. High priority flags get a phone call within 12 to 24 hours. Medium priority, a one-line SMS offering a call to resolve. Low priority, an email with a direct reply option. Always log the outreach attempt, channel, and outcome in your CRM or a simple spreadsheet. Date, name, platform, outreach type, result. That log turns this from reactive chaos into a repeatable habit you can measure. Now the most useful part, ready-to-use scripts. Use these word for word or tweak for tone. Initial phone or SMS for high impact. Hi, this is Mike from Company. I saw your review and I'm really sorry we missed the mark. Can you tell me what went wrong so we can make it right? If you're open to it, I can send a team by this week at no cost to repair the issue. For email or SMS where phone isn't available. Hi name, I'm Mike at Company. I read your feedback and want to apologize. We'd like to fix this. What time this week works for a quick repair visit? I appreciate your help so we can do better. Follow-up script after the fix, when the customer confirms satisfaction. I'm glad we could make this right. If you feel comfortable updating your review to reflect the repair, it really helps small businesses like ours and helps neighbors know we stand behind our work. No pressure, just if you're happy with the fix. That last line is important. Permission and phrasing reduce pushiness. 2 quick notes on asking for updates. Timing and framing. Ask only after the issue is visibly resolved, and frame the request as helping other customers rather than boost our rating. If a customer declines, log the outcome and move on. Don't nag. If the issue is complex or systemic, escalate the record for a service improvement plan and offer compensation where appropriate. That protects you legally and keeps expectations clear. Here are your takeaways and the tiny habit to protect reputation immediately. 1. Make a 10-minute morning review sweep and flag anything below 4 stars. 2. Prioritize and assign an owner to each flag. 3. Reach out within 24 hours with an apology and solution script. 4. Fix the problem and log the outcome. 5. Ask gently for an updated review only after the fix is confirmed. Metrics to watch: number of flagged reviews per month, average time to first response, % of flagged cases resolved within 7 days, and net change in average rating. A quick win you can do this afternoon. Run a search for any reviews in the last 30 days with 2 or 3 stars and pick the highest impact one to rescue. Call them and offer a solution. If you want the 1-page Rescue Loop checklist and the 2 script templates I just read, sign up for the Booked Jobs Daily email list. The checklist is designed to be printed or added to your daily intake sheet so the habit becomes automatic. When you sign up, you'll get the scripts in email-ready form so your team can copy and paste, plus a simple logging template you can use with any CRM or spreadsheet. Before you go, ask yourself one question. How many leads has your business missed this week? Missed calls, unanswered messages, old estimates, customers who never got a follow-up. That is hidden revenue, and that is exactly what we help you find. Book your AI opportunity audit today. We will uncover the leaks, show you the systems, and help you turn missed opportunities into booked jobs. I'm Star Riley. Thanks for listening to Booked Jobs Daily.